Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is writing in numbers. Our today's topic is writing in number. Our today's lecture number 22 for the annual term examination. Our homework number is 20. Our lecture number 22, but our homework number is 20. Okay. Now look at the board, students. For writing numbers, we have to know the place value. To know the place value, we know from the right side it's one place, the first one. In the right side from the first is ones place, the second one is tens place, and the third one is called hundred place. Now to write down the first number, it's 345. It's 345. To write down 345, 3 is in 100 position. We have to write down 3 is in 100 position. Then 45, 40, to write down 40, we have to write down 4 is in tens position, and 5 we have in our ones position. So 345 is 3, 4, 5. We have to write down 3, 4, 5. This is our 345. Okay, the next number is 306. 306. To write down 306, our hundreds position will be 3, because 3 is in hundreds position here. Now write down in the 100 position is 3. Okay. Now 306, we have to write down 6 in the ones position, and look, there is no number in the tens position, so we will fill up this one with 0. So 306, 306, it will be 306. Okay, the next number is 422. 422. To write down 422, we should write down in the hundreds place 4. 4 is in hundreds place because we have 400. Now 22. To write down 20, we should write down in the tens place 2. It makes 20. Now in the ones place, we should write down 2. It makes 422. The answer will be 422. 422. The next number is 484. 484. Okay. To write down 484, to write down 400 first, 400 to write down, we have to write down in the hundreds place 4. Okay. Now 84. To write down 80, you should write down 8 in the tens place, and to write down 4, we should write down 4 in the ones place. It is 484. 484, and we call it 484. The last number, today's last number is 390. To write down 390, it's 390. To write down 300, we should write down in the hundreds place 3. And to write down 90, we should write down 9 in the tens place, and no other number here. So we should fill up that ones place with 0. It will be 390. 390. 390 will be 390. Okay, my dear students. Now our HW number is 20. This is your HW. You should do this HW very carefully at home, and you know that the HW is very, very important for you, because on the basis on your HW we will give you city marks and HBA marks. So you can submit this HW on every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Anyone can submit the HW in this time, and you can get back this HW on the next Sunday. I think you have understood my today's lecture. See you again. Stay home and keep practicing at home. Allah Hafiz.